Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, as you all know that Presley Chweneyagae has passed on the 27th of May 2025. Now, according to the family spokesperson Umzwakhe Sigudla, he has died of natural causes. So it is said that the family spokesperson revealed that the paramedics attempted to resuscitate him, but he died after experiencing breathing issues. So this is the cause of death, which is natural causes, which was a breathing issue. As he said, for now, this is what they know. They know it's a natural cause. I'm sure they are still going to be doing more investigations, maybe post-mortems and things like that, but it was just a breathing issue and paramedics tried, but they couldn't resuscitate him. This is what was said by the family spokesperson, and I quote, "We want to put the record straight that it was a natural death as far as we are concerned. He had a complication in relation to breathing. Paramedics were called at home and he was attended to. We appreciate the professional nature of the paramedics." May his beautiful soul rest in peace. Guys, we have lost one of the greatest actors in the industry. He was funny, he was bubbly, full of life. He was just so talented. He was doing such a great job. So this is what the family spokesperson said. For now, as far as they are concerned, it's a natural death. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one.